So I'm reviewing the tile sticker, they call it. It's a little round tile that they have. I don't if you don't know what tile is, they're location devices that you can put on anything basically. What I'm looking at right here in the package that it comes in, uh, the little discs have sticky things on them so you can stick them to things, and that's an extra set of sticky in case you use it so many times all the stickiness is worn off. You got an extra set of sticky stuff. That's the registration paperwork. Put that aside, and I'll just stick that back there in the box. Like I said, tile. If you don't know, it's a locator device, and these specifically are just a little round disc, and you can put them on laptops. You can put them on a key ring. You can put them on remote TV remotes, which is what I did. You'll see a little bit later. And the cool thing about them is you download an app onto your phone, and then you connect the little tile to that app, and you can connect as many as you want. For instance, I've got two right now on my personal phone. I've got several. I've been using these for a couple of years now, actually, at the office on tools, so I'm familiar with it. Oh, there goes my dog Milo. And once you download the app, you connect each locator device to your phone, and then if you lose it, you just open up the app and you push the button and it starts ringing. Makes a ringtone. It's very cool. There's different ones that do different things. See, like right now I'm sticking it to that TV remote. Some of them have replaceable batteries, and typically they'll last about a year on a battery, or a little bit less, depending on how often you use it. But this one, for instance, this sticker that I'm reviewing here, it's got a 3-year battery, and once the battery is up, then you just buy a new one, and they're relatively inexpensive, so it's not a big deal. But you never have to mess with it. With a 3-year battery, you get for 3 years. You don't have to mess with it, and that is one a little bit of a downside of these. If you have replaceable batteries and the battery dies, it quits working. And typically, right when you really need it is when that happens. So anyway, you download the app onto your phone. It's pretty quick. Actually, downloading the app is very quick. Setting it up is pretty quick. Takes, depending on whether you have any trouble or not, it takes about 3 or 4 or 5 minutes. And once you have them on there, like I said, you can have several different ones. But when you open up the app, it lists all the ones that you have connected to the app at that time. And if, say, you lost your remote, the thing I have here on the table, and you want to find it, all you got to do is go to the app, find the one that you want to. Oh, you name them also, so you know exactly which one you're looking for. Because, for instance, this one you would just name TV remote. I've got the Slim, which is the size of a credit card, in my wallet, and I call it Wallet. So if I want to find my wallet, all I got to do is go to Wallet, click the button, and it starts making sound. So what I'm doing right now is I've got it downloaded, and I push the button right there for the TV remote. You really can't see it on my screen, but that's what it says, and it sounds like this. And it just keeps ringing until you find it and turn it off. But the other cool thing about it is if you lose your phone, but you know where your little tile remote is, actually any of them, you can take the little tile remote and push the button. Every little tile's got a button on it. You push it twice, and it starts ringing your phone. Then you can find your phone. Even if the volume's all the way down, it will increase the volume on your phone all the way to the max so you can find it. It's a pretty awesome little situation there. I mean, losing stuff is a thing of the past.